In this lesson, we will understand what is the Turtle Python library. With that, we will also see the applications, advantages as well as disadvantages. The Turtle library is a built-in Python module that lets you create graphics and drawings on a virtual canvas. It uses the idea of a turtle, that is a cursor shaped like a triangle that carries a pen and follows your instructions to draw shapes, patterns and even complex designs. This concept comes from Turtle graphics, first introduced in the Logo programming language during the 1960s, and has since become a fun way to learn programming through visual creativity. How it works? You control the turtle by giving it simple commands such as forward, right, pen up, pen down. If you want to move forward 100 steps, mention the forward command and in the parenthesis mention 100. To turn right, use the right method. To lift the pen up, use the pen up. By combining these commands, you can draw basic shapes like squares and triangles, create colorful patterns and spirals. You can also build intricate designs such as fractals and mandalas. Let us see the applications of the Turtle Python library, beginning with teaching and learning programming. The Turtle library is widely used as an introductory tool for programming. Its visual nature provides instant feedback, making abstract concepts such as loops, functions, and control flow easy to grasp. For example, using a for loop to draw a square vividly illustrates how iteration works. Next is developing computational thinking. Turtle graphics encourage learners, especially beginners and young students, to break down complex tasks into smaller logical steps. Activities like drawing a house demonstrate how problem solving can be approached through sequences of moves and turns, reinforcing structured thinking. Next is visualizing mathematical concepts. Beyond programming, Turtle graphics serve as a powerful medium for exploring mathematical principles, that is geometry, fractals and parametric equations. Under geometric, you can draw polygons, circles and experiment with angles. Under fractals, create recursive patterns such as fractal trees. Under parametric equations, you can illustrate curves like spirals, rose patterns and other intricate designs. Simple game development. The Turtle library provides an accessible way to design simple games such as snake, pong or maze challenges. Through these projects, learners can grasp essential concepts like game loops, collision detection and handling user input. Creating art and designs. Turtle can also serve as a canvas for art. By leveraging algorithms, user can produce vibrant, intricate and colorful patterns, making it a powerful tool for exploring creativity through code. Here are the advantages of the Turtle programming language. Extremely beginner friendly. The library's simple and intuitive syntax makes it easy for newcomers to grasp. Its visual nature provides immediate feedback, which is often more engaging than plain text-based outputs. Zero setup required. Turtle is bundled with standard Python distributions along with its dependency. This means learners can start coding right away without worrying about installing additional packages. Excellent for demonstrations. Educators can use Turtle to visually illustrate programming concepts such as loops, conditionals, functions and even recursion. This makes abstract ideas more concrete and easier to understand. Low floor, high ceiling, that is accessible yet powerful. Turtle offers a low floor, high ceiling experience. Beginners can start with simple shapes, while advanced users can create, integrate and artistic designs, keeping the learning journey exciting at every stage. Supports multiple programming styles. The library accommodates both procedural commands and object-oriented approaches. This dual support helps learners transition smoothly into object-oriented programming concepts. Let us now see the disadvantages of the Turtle Python library. Not suitable for professional graphics and game development. Turtle struggles with rendering speed and cannot handle complex or high performance graphics. For serious game development, libraries such as Pygame Arcade or Pyglet are far more appropriate. Limited performance and features. Turtle lacks advanced capabilities like sprite management, hardware acceleration, audio integration and collision detection, all of which are essential in modern game frameworks. Can be fragile. Long or complex drawing tasks can cause the turtle window to freeze or become unresponsive. Managing screen updates with functions like tracer and update often becomes cumbersome when dealing with intricate animations. Primitive coordinate system. While easy to understand, Turtle's coordinate system is primitive and limited compared to advanced libraries that support cameras, viewports and complex transformations. Mainly an educational tool, Turtle's main purpose is to teach programming concepts in a visual and engaging way. Its role in professional software development is minimal. That is, it serves as a learning scaffold rather than a production ready tool. We saw what is the Turtle Python library with the applications, advantages and disadvantages.